Hello, today I'm going to show you how to schedule an appointment or work within Microsoft Outlook Calendar. This is the best way to work with me on my scheduling. It also works with other district staff that use Microsoft Outlook for their calendar functioning. You can expect that this is utilized district-wide, but it is not required to be utilized by staff at Emmett. So from the web page, it is best to get into Outlook, and so go to the For Staff tab. After the For Staff tab, you can navigate through to this one, which is the Outlook web app, which is where and how we access our email. And then I just log in with my login information. It pops up to your email first off, and then you can see from here you can go to the new option, and the new option right next to the new option is a little down arrow, and I go to meeting request. When I open up meeting request, it opens up a new window, and so this is the best way to be able to schedule with me. So as you're working with me, you're going to want to put in my calendar, and this is in the to frame. The subject would be meet with Brian. And then the location, I prefer that you utilize this, otherwise I'll default it to being your classroom or your teaching space, but if you want to, put in the office. You can utilize this space down here to be able to offer me specifics so that I'm prepared to be able to meet with you. It isn't required, but without information here about what we're going to talk about, then I'm not able to get prepared ahead of time. Meet to talk about schedule for observation, or observation 1 or 2, however you choose it. The power of this tool comes in this tab, which is Scheduling Assistant. As I click on Scheduling Assistant, it'll pop up and then be able to look at my schedule. Obviously you can see I'm recording this on Sunday, or September 28th, 2016 at 11:30. So I'm going to navigate to a school day, and I'm going to navigate over here to, let's say, Thursday, September 9th, and I'm looking for a schedule around meeting this day. So I can see along this bar at the bottom that I can move different days and times. It does a regular work day from 8 until 4. If you need to schedule outside of that, just let me know. And it looks like I'm free in the afternoon of Thursday, September 8th from 2:30 until 3:30. And then I can add in here another person's schedule as well too, and you can add multiple layers within that schedule. For example, I can include Miles Lawson, and that way you'll be able to see multiple people's calendars. What you won't be able to see is exactly what's happening unless you have calendar privilege rights, but you don't need that to be able to schedule a time. This time looks like it works. I really don't want to invite Miles to this, so I'm not going to do that. So I've got myself and Julie who are available to meet during this time. I'm going to go back to appointment, and then I'm going to say send, and then that will pop up right away for me within my calendar, and you can see that it popped up there under my calendar, and so it goes right to my phone. So if you have any other questions, please let me know. Thanks.